Take me to your leader. Okay, but first you need to take me to your leader. Because E.T. found home with my superpowers. Do you know how to count to one? I do. It goes 0, and then it goes 1. Do you know how weird that is? It's 0, and then it is 1. Now I am really an alien. It's actually quite creepy. Anyway, the point of the story is you have to watch your computer because I will steal it and do this all the time. Do you know that aliens look all over the place all the time because they are gathering information like I am right now?